Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I filmed a cleaning rhythm video, which is basically just my weekly and daily chores that I do to take care of our home. Today I'm collaborating with Julia Connor from Julia Ray Vlogs. Go check out her channel, guys. I'm gonna have it linked down in the description below. She makes home tour videos, she makes clean with me's, organizing videos, hair videos. I really think you guys are gonna love her channel. I love watching her videos. But today we're gonna collab together, and I really hope you guys enjoy this video. I start off the morning by making up our bed. If you guys have noticed, we've actually been sleeping in the guest room because I've been having a lot of problems with our actual bed. But I just get up, I make up the bed, I clear up the room, and it just kind of gives me a fresh start to my morning. Next, I will clear up anything I use to get ready in the morning in the bathroom, and I will just give the sinks a quick wipe down just to make sure everything is clean. In the mornings when I clean the living room and the kitchen, I love to open up the blinds, give me some natural light. And of course, I love to light candles. It makes everything smell fresh and clean. The candle that I've been currently burning is the mahogany tea wood, and I think it smells so good. Before I start cleaning anything, I will make myself a nice glass of water. Obviously, you guys know I love my Starbucks tumblers, so I will always put my water in one of those and just carry it around with me throughout the house while I clean. I didn't show this, but every single time I do either a quick clean or an all-day clean, I like to put on music just so I have something to clean to. And every morning when I wake up, when I head down to the kitchen, I put away all of my dry dishes from the night before. After breakfast, I like to do the dishes, wipe down the counters, sweep a little bit, just so everything stays clean until dinner or lunch. The reason I do the dishes after breakfast is so that after lunch or after dinner, I won't have such a huge load to do. On this particular day, I had a couple things I had to finish up in the other room, so after breakfast, I just went upstairs and straightened out our other room, just put away clothes, and that's about it. After dinner mess is probably the biggest mess we have in the day. That's when I pretty much clean the stove, wipe down all the counters, we vacuum, and I do all of the dishes for that night. love waking up to a clean house, so it's a must for me to clean everything, kitchen, living room. Our bedrooms were already clean, so I didn't have to do that this night, but I love to have everything clean so that when I wake up in the morning, everything will be clean for me. My husband does mostly all of the vacuuming at night, so he will take care of vacuuming the kitchen and the living room, and it's so nice because vacuuming is kind of weird, but it's actually my least favorite chore to do, so it's really nice that he takes that. But yeah, guys, that's basically my daily chores and weekly chores. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Again, don't forget to check out Julia's channel. I will have it linked down in the description below. And yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell so you don't miss any more of my videos. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.